warm welcome to the Lightspeed EMEA Partner Summit 2019.
Partner Summit is a really exciting 2 days where we get together with all of our global partners and we get to spend tons of time talking about how we sell, how we support, how we build our products, how we include them in our process. And it's a really unique opportunity that we just love.
We want small businesses in cities, small restaurateurs and small retailers to succeed, because that's what makes the texture of a city. This is what's driving our energy and this ambition we have to take on the world.
I'm expecting our partners to become entrepreneurial and to think about how is the success of Lightspeed going to be deployed in many different verticals, and how can I apply a know-how that'll help me to become dominant in those verticals.
We got a lot of insights on how the hospitality business is moving, also what the future of Lightspeed is, how the IPO is going to help not only Lightspeed but also its partners.
It's really impressive for me to see how big this Lightspeed family is. We as Epson, we are quite proud to be part of this and sponsoring this event.
I think I haven't been in a conference or in a summit for a very long time, and I think that sometimes it's just one or two phrases that catches on to you and make you rethink your whole strategy.
It's a great opportunity to speak to partners, get feedback that we can actually use that's tangible, and influence our roadmap.
I think the event was super positive. I got a lot of good networks and a lot of input in terms of our future development.
It was fun and great for me. Knowing other partners helps you also to grow and find solutions.